Welcome to SkillHeader. In this video, we are going to explore the ordinary and advanced methods of how to deal with objects and images in MS Access. Watching this video till the end will surely enhance your capabilities. Please visit skillheader.com for detailed articles, blogs, and source codes explained in the videos. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon, like, share, and comment the video. Let's get started. I have created a student table in which the fields are student ID, first name, last name, contact, city, and address. To go through the first method, I have created a field with the name of student pick 1 and data type as OLE Object. OLE stands for Object Linking and Embedding. By double-clicking, it will open the bound object. Hence, we have not inserted any object. This message appeared. To insert an object, you can click on Insert Object from the drop-down by right-clicking on it. As you can see, there are two options. We will select the second option, which is Create from File. You can insert a file by clicking on Browse. I have some images in my E-Drive. Now, let's create a bound form based on the student table. The OLE object will show only the bitmap or BMP images. By double-clicking, you can open the image associated. Let's insert other files like Excel or Word. Here is another solution to getting signatures into the database by selecting Create New and Bitmap Image. Now you can have a bitmap image or draw the signatures like this example. move on to the second method. I will create the second pick field name and select attachment from the data type this time. It will allow you to attach multiple documents to your database in a single record entry. Simply double-click will open the attachment dialog box. Now you can add documents from your computer. As you can see, I have just added 2 documents and it appeared 2 with the attachment field as well. Now, let's insert the attachment field into the form. Please remember that the objects and images will be stored in the database with both of these methods. Embedding objects and images into the database is not always good for data retrieval. It can slow down the data and make the size bigger, especially when you are using a network-based structure. In the third method, we will use the data type as a short text because we will just store the path of the image in the field and the image will integrate with this path. It means that the image will not be stored directly in the database. For example, I am inserting the path of an image in the table field. Now, move on to insert the third field into the form. As you can see, it is just a field text box. We will use the picture option from the form design menu. On the Forms on Current event, we will simply use this code to integrate the path to the picture. Good, it works fine. If you delete the picture from that path, the image will not appear here. Manually adding every image path into the field is not a good idea. On the other hand, there are some big drawbacks like There is no restriction on using picture extensions like BMP, JPG, or others. The image name is not uniquely relevant to the student's name or ID. The image can be deleted from the folder path. To overcome all of these ambiguities, let's have some advanced structure. Meanwhile, let's create a main form so the Add Student form can be opened in a dialog box to add a new student. While opening the form, there is an error because of picture integrated field is empty. Let's apply a condition here if field is null. Now, create a button to add an image. There is no need for the first two methods, so remove them to avoid misunderstanding. We will use the student code as the name of the image file, so create a new field in the table. add the code field in the form.
Now, let's see how to get the first record code as 1001 and the addition of 1 after the first record.
I am giving the first two codes manually here because these records have already been created. As you can see, the new code is 1003. But wait, the code is adding itself while opening the form each time due to directly inserting the code into the table. The solution is to make the code text box unbound and rename it, but we will insert the code into the table later on from the Submit button. Very good, it is now working fine as expected. Move on towards the Add Picture button code, but before proceeding, you might notice that the first name field spelling is not correct. This code will work directly with the Access object, so you need to enable some references. Your Office version might be different than mine. This code will provide 4 advanced features. It will allow only one file at a time to avoid errors. It will make sure the extension of the file is either JPG or JPEG. It will copy the image file and store it in a separate folder. It will change the file name with the student code. Excellent, the picture and the path, both are updated. As you can see, the file name in the student folder is based on the student code. Now, we need a submit button. It is time to insert the student code into the table field now. You can create a subform within the main form to view the data of all students with pictures. As you notice, the students folder is updated with the student images and codes as names. You can add a subform reference to refresh the data after submission. I hope you have learned a lot and exciting from this video. Please stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, like, share, and comment. See you in the next video.